This has been the worst night ever. Seriously, like, fuck. I don't even want to explain what we've been through. What have we been through?
I don't even want to explain.
It's fucking awful. But I thought, we've kind of seen so much shit, we might as well film it. There's so much shit around here. There's so much shit. And we thought, like, I don't know where to begin. Like, I'm gonna take you on a journey that you've never been on before. That you have
Never been on before.
And, oh fucking hell. Listen, this is the first scene of the movie, isn't it, Jack?
Yes, it is.
Trust me, it gets much worse than this. Here we are in a tent in the middle of Hertfordshire. Whatever the fuck this place is. We're on some weird vacation kind of thing, and it's shit. I hate it so far. It's like really beginning to kick off, and I will get back to you. Trust me, because we've seen some weird shit. Okay.
Open your tent.
Yo, so we're just kind of chilling. This party, man. We've got a vodka. I don't know where the fuck vodka's from. Like Ukraine or some shit.
Norwegian.
Norwegian? What the fuck is Norwegian, man?
I don't know.
She doesn't even know what Norwegian is. She knows. She got like a fucking star in geography, didn't you?
Star.
She got a fucking star. It's all cloudy, yeah? Like, look how cloudy it is. And then, seriously, this is the weirdest shit you've ever seen. Buff! It's just a speck in the middle. And there it is. And we're all there, like, what the
We love the moon!
And because we're so fucked. We're so fucked. We're so fucked. We're like, what the fuck has just happened?
What the fuck is going on?
What the fuck has just happened? And we're like, what the fuck? So we decide to follow the moon, and we go into the forest, don't we?
Yeah.
Into the forest.
Into the forest we go.
So I reckon probably later in this film we'll probably regret this a little bit, but until then we'll see how it goes.
You are a genius.
Whoa! What the? No, stop, man! Stop! Wait, have you ever heard the story?
What?
Of the Hiccup Man? You've never heard the story of the Hiccup Man?
No.
Seriously.
I'm scared.
Seriously. I've heard the story of the Hiccup Man. Seriously. I've heard it's like kind of around here. And I don't know, I think it's about 1 week after the full moon. The Hiccup Man comes out and he leaves lots of bones. Yeah. If you film down here, wait, you actually see the bones. You see the bones of thousands and thousands of spiders. See that? That's the skeleton of a spider. And this is the first time I've ever seen it. I'm fucking freaked out. Are you freaked out? Are you freaked out? Yeah. Yeah, I'm freaked out. But you know me.
You will battle on.
Every time I'm freaked out, I go on. I go on.
And you are gonna battle on.
And I go on. I find the Hiccup Man.
You find
I find him.
You find this
I will find him. And that is where we take it. Everyone get in. That is where scene 4 will lead us.
What?
What the fuck was that? I'm really sorry, but we haven't filmed what we've just seen.
Wait, run away! Run away! What the fuck is that? I've run away! Oh, fuck! Ah! 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 What the fuck is this? Ah!